This video is for my brother who has a channel, No to the NWO. This is his weapon. This is an AR-15. It's an M&P, Smith & Wesson. It's brand new. He owns it, but I have custody of it right now. I've had it for like 48 hours. I know nothing about weapons. I'm just learning in the last year. My choice of weapon for home defense right now is a baby Glock 26. It's what I use. It's right here. I keep it loaded. It's ready to go. And I just carry it with me everywhere I go. I have a concealed carry permit. Alright, so let's see if I can release this magazine and, I don't know if you can see that, and load it without breaking my nails. So there we go. Loading this is pretty easy. I haven't had any problems. They just snap right in. It's just that simple. Alright. There you go. It's empty. Let's get it back in. Kind of be a little aggressive with it. And so he wanted this. It was a good price. And he wanted me to take it and use it and see what I thought of it. I was scared. I'm not going to lie. I was really intimidated by it. It looks scary. It's big, it's ugly, it looks powerful. I really didn't want to have anything to do with it. But he wouldn't buy it unless I agreed that I would at least try to go to the range and give it a shot. And just try it. So that's what I did. And you saw that he has a video he'll be posting, and you'll see my first experience with it.
All right, let's see how I did. I didn't hit anything. Was it bad?
No.
It's just loud.
It's just loud. This video is not meant to be anything but for my brother to make fun of me later. This isn't for guys who have the weapons and enjoy. That's not what this is about for me. This is about a girl who came from the East and now lives in the South and is learning how to protect herself. And so this is my experience. And that's all it is. And so he makes me do these things. So I went to the range, and I have to say that I was really scared. I didn't want to do it. And I had with me my daughter, and I had my husband and her fiance. My husband was a Marine, and her fiance is a police officer. And so it's hard to to have both of them in your ear, and they're gonna and then my brother, No to the NWO, who's not gonna leave me alone. They're gonna always push me beyond my comfort zone. And now that we're empty nesters and we live in the South, having a weapon instead of an alarm system and having to do, I don't know, hand-to-hand combat with somebody, we prefer this. I feel comfortable with it and using them, and I kind of enjoy it. So that's it.
Is that
My favorite. Be careful. You never put your finger. See?
Get him.
God, Mom. Hey, he's coming at me. God, Dad.
Look at him.